Borgia here, and happy 4th of July! Happy birthday to the United States of America. We are celebrating, and I'm sorry if there's some background noise. Some of my neighbors are also celebrating too already, so please don't mind that. We are gonna have fun. You know I love to celebrate, whether you live in the United States, anywhere else, come celebrate with me. So give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and ding 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 dong ding. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I upload every Tuesday, 4 p.m. Eastern in New York City. And bonus videos during the week, all kinds of story times, more tutorials, some watch out videos. I have so much fun coming to you guys. So definitely no FOMO, hit the bell so you don't miss out. All right, let's go celebrate. All right, guys, I did my brows, just a regular color, and I prepared my lids. This is my first Revolution product. I know, I am so behind. Whatever, it's not focusing. It is Revolution Conceal and Define. Everybody's been talking about it, so I was like, what the heck? And I had a 20% off coupon, although I just remembered why I don't like shopping at Ulta, but we'll get into that a different day. All right, we are going to be hopping back into the Jawbreaker palette, but that's not going to be the only one today. All right, we're going to start by jumping into a Delicious right here, and just a little flat brush. Anyone will do, and start stamping out. And we're just gonna rough outline a shape. That's all we're doing. Cut it. I don't like that shape. All right. Yeah, that's the thing. It doesn't matter. If the shape's not perfect yet, don't worry about it. Won't affect the end. And then I'm just going to take a 507 and start blending. Actually, I feel like this brush. Okay, it's just a little detail. There we go. That's what I want. Oh, and as you can see, from being in the car for 5 minutes today, I already started getting a tan. It's ridiculous. Okay, now that we've blended that out, we're going to get into this beautiful blue Soaked. Sorry, we've got thunderstorms going here and off and on. So my hands like this better. I got to get something cuter than this, but sorry, it's how I wipe my fingerprints off. It's the real deal here, guys. We're gonna just start blending out a little bit. Okay, once you're all blended out, we're gonna get into this beautiful blue Brain Freeze. This is a Morphe M210. It's just a little flat shader. And we're gonna pack that on to the end and the tip like that. And start going along the edge. And all the way down into the eye. So get packing. We're going to stamp that on there. And then we're going to go back into Soaked, that pretty blue. And we're going to stamp that there. And to make it nice, because it's for the United States birthday. Okay, and we're going to keep that blending, and then we're going to just go like this. And take the tip and start blending it a bit. But try to keep the dark down there and the light up there. Just blend it nicely. It is the 243rd birthday of the US. I know, we're a freaking new country. Fourth. Let me catch up the other eye, and then we're gonna keep going. Because it's a birthday, and anybody who knows me knows I love to celebrate a birthday. I do. I am the birthday celebration queen. We're going to go with Sugarpill's Lumi, which is a loose eyeshadow. It is white with a kind of bluish reflect on a flat brush. And just pack it right up here. Woo! It is sick. And normally I don't wet my brush. If you're having any trouble, you can wet your brush down. Oh, look, I'm taking out my eyebrow. I don't know if I should put this in the inner corner right now. I think I'm going to. There we go. Let's pop that right there. While we're here, and then once you're packing, you can blend a little bit down this way. You don't want to go down too far, or it just kind of turns all into the same thing. I'm going to bring it around the front. Just like that, just to give a little halo to it. For fun, hey! It's an everyday grocery store look, right? Alright, and then we're going to take some Jawbreaker, this white shimmer in here, and just put it at the very, very tip of that, just to keep it white. And just pack it in there. There you go. And then a little over here. Voila! Okay, now I'm going to take this Revolution Conceal and Define that I never used, and we're going to cut the crease for the first time. Okay, we got the crease cut all nice and pretty, and we're going to go in with some glucose because it's a great white. And this is a little, I believe, 508. Little smudgy brush. Just going to go in and set it. I always say that weird. Set it. I don't know why I do that. Like it's enunciating. My mom had a thing about that. Enunciate. Okay, I am. I'm setting it. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Okay, I looked, and out of the reds I have, there's this beautiful poinsettia that's sparkly red. But then I have all these other reds. I don't know. I've got red rum, but right now I didn't pick up a new one, so I just have this one. My Smashbox. Oh, wow, this is a really good red, too. That's a great red. Oh, what to do? Let's go in with red rum first. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking maybe I should take the white off the bottom part, but you know what? It's a little bit too late now. I've never used this one before, but I think next time I might take that white off because this red would normally pop really nice. Do, do, do. So just cut it out, and when in doubt, when you're cutting it, just go a little lower because you can always go up, but with a bright color you can't go back down. So I'm just gonna pull that out there. In fact, I'm gonna pull it straight because you can pull it up later, but then you can't go back down once again. And I do want to bring this up a little higher so it doesn't get lost in my personal crease. My personal crease, as opposed to my public crease. I am saying things so weird today. So let's just. Ah! Why does Alexa keep scaring the crap out of me?
Sorry, I didn't find a device named Why Does Alexa Keep Scaring the Crap Out of Me?
That's you! Oh my gosh, I have got to. I listen to music during this. I can't help it, guys. Alexa has it out for me. Oh my gosh.
I didn't catch that. Please say that again.
No. I'm boycotting you, Alexa. Oh, this is kind of pretty.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
You can't see it, so I am not taking your opinion. How about that? Let me fill this in and do this eye, and then we'll go on. Okay, guys, we're gonna try out Licorice, the matte. We're gonna see how good this red is, because two of my favorite reds are Love Plus from Sugarpill, and then matte reds, and Cherry Soda in the Blood Sugar palette. I'm gonna see how Licorice is and what, you know. This is a lot of new things. I think almost everything I've used on my eye today is something new that I haven't used yet. Alright, and then we're going into and what? This red shimmer. Not something other than my arm. Yes, I was doing that. God, I look like a bloody mess. La la la. Ooh, she's pretty. Okay, now I want to add some little bitty stars. Gonna add a couple here and there. Ta-da! Oh, it's so cute. And I think I like them better random. I do lip art with some of these. I gotta show you guys sometime. It's fun. That's where it goes. Okay, I didn't go for 50, but I did a bunch in the blue, and then I did 9 on each side. It's habit from growing up. My father was really into Japanese art and culture and whatnot, and you always do odd numbers, so that's kind of ingrained in my head. Let's do the liner and get it moving. Okay, we're ready for liner. I quickly just threw down some of this concealer, so we have a base to lay it down on, and we're going to use the Kat Von D Everlasting Glimmer Veil lipsticks. They're so much fun. They're so pretty to put on the eyes. I love this satellite blue. There we go. Yeah, I like that better. Let it fade into that. Right? That's so pretty. Yeah, I'm going to do the other side and then put some lashes on, and then we can do the bottom. Okay. We have lashes on. We are sparkling, cleaned up under the eye. And yeah, I threw some concealer and powder on right here, corner of the nose, boop and boop, like normal, no foundation. I think we're going to go in with the silver liner from Sephora. Want to be sparkly. I think I'm going to do a little blue. We're going to hit this blue right here from the Masquerade palette, Dahlia. And then a little bit of Chi. Okay, now this is like the worst part because I did the waterline and I can never see afterwards. So give me 1 second. Okay, guys, still in Magnificent Metals. I've got Perlina and what is it? Vivid Sapphire. Look at that. It's so pretty. So I think I'm gonna pop a little bit in the corner. Oh my gosh. Okay, just a little. Oh wow, that's a lot. Can I just get a little? Or is that not happening? We tap it out. Then let's go in and put Perlina on top of it, which has a kind of bluish and red reflect anyway. Okay. Cute. I think we need some highlighter and lipstick. And we are ready to celebrate the 4th of July. Okay, Cocoa Bling. Ooh, yes. Okay. And here we go. We are done with Happy Birthday, United States. Happy 4th of July, guys. This was so much fun. Wow, I want to save it and wear it tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this and had so much fun. I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July. Lady Borgia.